Hello everyone, my name is Amol More and welcome to our channel Solution to Black Book. Now today one of our student has asked this doubt. In this there is a student whose classroom is on the first floor and there are 13 steps. There are 13 steps from the first ground floor to the first floor. The student takes one step at a time or takes two steps at a time means skipping one and taking two at a time. Then how many number of ways can the student reach the classroom? Okay, so over here we'll consider the cases. Let us consider case 1, that the student takes all 1 steps. It means there will be 13 steps, right? Because 13 steps he has to move and 1 step at a time, so there will be 13 steps. Out of these 13 steps, how many steps are 1 step? All steps, that is the all 13 steps are 1 steps. And how many steps are 2 steps? 0 steps. Okay, so the number of ways for 13 steps in case 1 is 13C13. This is the selection of 1 step, and 13C0. This is the selection of 2 steps. So this will be 1 into 1, one way. So as you can see, this is common sense also, that if all the steps are 1 step, then it will be 1 step. Then it can be done in one way only. Okay, now let us consider case 2, in which the student takes 1 step 11 times and 2 step 1 time. Just calculate this. 1 step 11 times is equal to 11 steps and 2 steps 1 time is equal to 2 steps. So total is 13 steps. Now how many steps is he taking? He is taking 12 steps, because there are total 11 1 steps and there is 1 2 step. Hence you can say that out of 12, 11 are 1 steps and 1 is 2 step. Okay, so out of 12, selection of 1 step would be 11, and then there is only 1 step remaining. So out of that 1, you can select 1C, 1. Right? So this ways, as you can see, that 12C11 is nothing but 12C1 and 1C1 is 1. So this is 12 ways. Right? Okay. Over here I have written 13C0, but this is of no importance because you do not have to select anything further. So 13C13 one way is totally fine. So as to create a pattern. Now out of these 12 steps, what we have done, 11 steps were 1 steps and 1 was a 2 step. Hence 12C11 and remaining 1 step was a 2 step. So 12 ways. Okay. Now let us move to case 3. In case 3, there are 1 steps 9 times and 2 steps 2 times. See, the addition of steps is again 13, but there are total steps how many? 1 steps 9 and 2 steps 2. So there are total 11 steps. Out of that, 9 are 1 steps and 2 are 2 steps. So selection of steps would be 11C9 into how many are remaining? 2 are remaining and 2C2. This first is the selection of 1 step and this is the selection of 2 steps. So this will be 11C2 into 1. 11C2 is 11 into 10 by 2 into 1, which is 55. So case 3 has 55 ways. Okay, moving ahead, case 4. Now in case 4, you can say 1 steps we take 7 and 2 steps we take 6. So how many total? 2 steps 3. So 2 into 3, 6 steps, 1 into 7, 7 steps, 7 plus 6, 13. So there are total 10 steps. Out of these 10 steps, 7 are 1 steps and 3 are 2 steps. So the selection would be 10C7 and remaining 3 are all 2 steps. So this will be 10C3 into 1. So that will be 10 into 9 into 8 upon 3 into 2 into 1. So this you can say is 120 ways. Okay. Now case 5. In case 5, one step can be taken 5 times. So that will be 5 steps. Okay, and 2 steps can be taken 4 times. So see, the addition is again 30, 2 in 13, 2 into 4 plus 1 into 5. Total steps are 9 steps, out of which 5 are 1 steps and 4 are 2 steps. So out of 9, 5 are 1 steps and remaining 4 are 2 steps. So this will be 9C4 into 1. This will be 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 upon 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Very simple. 8 6 are 48 and this is 24 and 2. So 9 into 7, 63 into 2, 126 ways. Okay. Now case 6. In case 6 we can say 1 steps we can take 3 times and 2 steps we can take 5 times. So there are in total how many? 8 steps, out of which 3 are 1 steps and 5 are 2 steps. So out of 8, 3 are 1 steps and remaining 5 are 2 steps. So this will be 8 into 7 into 6 upon 3 into 2 into 1, which is into 1 again. So this will be equal to 56 ways. Okay, now the last case. So there were total how many cases? 6. Now this is the 7th case. In the 7th case, 1 step can be taken only 1 time and 2 steps will be equal to 6 times. 2 into 6, 12. 1 into 1, 1. So 13 steps. So out of total 7 steps, 1 are 1 steps and 6 are 2 steps. So we can say 7C1 into 6C, 6. So that will be 7 into 1, 7 ways. So let us add all of them. Total number of ways will be equal to 7 plus 56 plus 126 plus 120 as I can remember plus 55 plus 12 and plus 1 plus 55 plus 12 and plus 1. So after adding this, what are we getting? We are getting 377. So in all there are 377 possible ways in which the student can reach from the ground floor to the first floor to his classroom. Thank you for watching the video guys, and do not forget to like and comment on this video. Do spread the knowledge and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.